Hi, my name is Matt. I'm one of the physios at Sports Lab. Today we're going through how to use the Stryke Recovery to release calf tightness. So this is particularly useful in runners, dancers, gymnasts, people that really use their calves a lot. So just some simple anatomy. We've got two tendons in through the soleus that come in medially and laterally. And those areas collect a lot of lactic acid and the muscles get quite tight and sore through there. And then we've got our muscle bellies and the gastric medius up through here. So they're areas that we want to sort of investigate for high tone and then, as indicated, work through them. Okay? So as always, we want to be using our patients as a guide for any sort of excessive tenderness. We can feel in Helen that she's pretty tight down through her soleus, so that's the area that we're going to focus on first. How's that feeling, Helen?
Yeah, good. Nice, actually. Surprised me.
Alright, so we just want to be grading the pressure of the gun into the muscle based on how the patient's tolerating it. The aim here is that we're trying to reduce tone in the muscle, okay? So we don't want to be causing too much pain. We should be feeling more comfortable as we continue. So we're going to be working through this area for 20 to 30 seconds, then moving on to another area. So that's the lateral tendon there. If we go through the medial tendon, how's that there, Helen?
Yeah, that's good too.
So we can up the energy. So that might be a bit much. And then we can move into the gastric medius. So using the Stryke Recovery with its vibration and percussion, that can take out a lot of the tone in the muscle. We can then carry on with normal massage or even some stretching to help really improve the compliance of the connective tissue after that. That's it, that's how we release the calf.